We have experiences, and yes, they cause some cause trauma. But if we focus on, for me, this is what I feel I have to offer. Yes, there's trauma and experiences that we experience. We are hurt, and unfortunately, we hurt others also, even if we don't mean to. And it's very loud. When we are in pain, it's very loud. When we are comfortable, we don't hear anything. We just go along. It's life is great. But with pain, it hurts. But when that becomes the center of our focus, we keep myelinating the neurological pattern that's holding it. If we reject it, then we're increasing the myelination of the neurological processing that's holding whatever we're pushing it or repressing it or whatever. It's all wrapped around the experiential body that was or is in pain. As we free the instrument plays a different consciousness. We are not just the experienced body. And this other, the same body, but in speaking, has choice what to perceive. If something happened in the past, can the weight of consciousness be in the past rather than the present? Or do we carry that in the present all the time? Or do we put our weight of consciousness in the future in fear that this is going to happen because of the experienced body has expectations based on past experience? How do we step outside or around? These are words, I'm not sure of the words. It doesn't originate with words, but to the conscious mind that can play the instrument of the body. So just to perceive where your weight of consciousness is a practice for what you want to perceive. What do you want to perceive? Or is it all in your mind and your brain and your nerves? Is it where it is, outside of yourself and inside of yourself? What's inside? What's outside? What is your relationship to it? What is its relationship to you? So in this series, what I would like to do is share in a way how the nervous system works, to perceive it so that we are aware of what we're perceiving and able to make conscious choices.